Hey there! If you've ever had back pain, you've probably heard the same old advice. Stretch more, strengthen your core, or just take a painkiller. But what if I told you there's a hidden cause of back pain most doctors never mention, and the fix is simpler than you think? Stick around, because today we're exposing the real reason your back hurts and the surprising trick that's helped thousands. And don't worry, I'll break it down so clearly you'll wonder why no one told you this before. Most doctors blame back pain on weak muscles or bad posture, but research from Harvard Medical School shows that up to 85% of chronic back pain cases have no clear structural cause, meaning your MRI might be totally normal. So if it's not your spine or muscles, what is it? Turns out your nerves might be the sneaky culprit. A study in the Journal of Pain found that many people with back pain actually have oversensitive nerves, like a fire alarm that won't stop blaring even after the fire's out. Imagine touching a hot stove. Your hand jerks back, right? But with chronic pain, your nerves keep screaming danger long after the injury heals. That's called central sensitization, and most doctors don't test for it. Here's the game changer: nerve flossing. A 2020 study in Spine Journal showed that gently rolling your nerves, like flossing for your spine, can calm them down. Here's how to do it. No equipment needed. Step 1. Sit tall, straighten one leg, and flex your foot towards you. Now, slowly nod your head forward like you're saying yes. Feel that tug? That's your nerve moving. Do 10 reps per side. Step 2. Clasp your hands behind your head, elbows wide. Gently arch backward over a chair or bed. Breathe for 10 seconds. This resets tight nerves around your ribs. Do this twice a day for 2 weeks. In one study, 73% of people saw real improvement. Now, why doesn't your doctor mention this? Simple: time. A BMJ study found the average doctor's appointment lasts just 13 minutes, barely enough to prescribe pills, let alone teach nerve exercises. But you just got the real fix in under 5 minutes. And if you're thinking, that's it? Try it for a week. Science says it works better than painkillers long term. Drop a comment if this helped you, or if you've got another pain mystery you want me to decode. Hit subscribe, because next week I'm exposing the shocking truth about headaches, and it's not what you think.